I found a picture on Pinterest that inspired me. I found a 3-paneled version and I found one on canvas. I knew I could recreate this. I had 3 panels. I'd already started painting one for something different, but I went ahead and I painted over the boards and the one that I had painted with Tarnished Pearl by DIY Paint. It's an off-white, grayish white. I did 2 coats of it and I used my Fine Mist sprayer to spread the paint because DIY Paint is a clay-based paint and the water helps it to glide. Then I sealed it with DIY Paint's top coat called Big Top. It's a nice durable finish and it helps the transfers to come on. That was the key to making this happen. So I took my picture and I took chalk and I outlined the design, the shape of the butterfly. And it was just to help us to be a guide. This was a fun project that my daughter and I did together. We took DIY Paint's black velvet and repainted on the left side. We took IOD's Winter Song wreath to make this happen, but you could also use the Winter Song transfer as well. We cut it up in different sections in small flowers or small sections, and then we began laying it out and applying the transfers onto the board in the shape of the wings. It took us a couple of hours, but it was so much fun. All you have to do to apply the transfer is use the burnishing stick and just rub it and make sure that you burnish it down once you have it applied before you put your top coat on there. But we just kept filling it in and I kept cutting little pieces and just making it work. It was like a puzzle and it was a lot of fun to create and see it come to life. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate your positive comments as well. If you didn't want this to be black and white, after you've applied all of the transfer pieces, you could actually paint this in if you wanted. Or you could use a totally different transfer that has beautiful colors to match your color scheme in your house. The sky's the limit. We went through several phases of the butterfly, and so it took us a little bit to be able to figure out exactly how we wanted it, and we kept painting over it and painting over it. But what happened when we did that is we got some really nice texture and we really ended up with a product that we really liked. So it took us a little minute because we are not painters. We are furniture painters, but we are not painters. So this is what it looked like, and then I ended up making some more adjustments, and then I sealed it with Big Top using a sponge, and I pressed down and created some streaks, and I really like the way that looked because it looked like the paint was just coming off of the butterfly, and then that was it. You can purchase these products on my website, lisaboondesigns.com. If you try this, I would love to see it. Be sure to send me a picture. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.